tech camps came out of a research needs assessment that took place a couple years back in the Grande area to inform the campus offerings. And what we found is that ICT is an area of interest amongst the youth in the community.
Grande's campus was a natural place for us to have the camps. The reason for that is we wanted to use it to involve the community, kind of like an outreach, to help the community to get to the point of understanding and getting exposed to information technology. Grande seemed perfect because the amount of applicants for the Grande campus in terms of information technology did not reflect what we found in our San Fernando City campus and even in Tobago.
I see benefiting the community as it grasps the youth at a young stage and teaches them how to use the technology efficiently, coming from a very rural area like Grande, which is considered to be a rural area in the country. Instilling how to use the technology at such an early stage is pivotal for the development of the area as well as the wider community. Seeing the interest and seeing them being able to use it will definitely play a huge role in the future of the Grande's development.
They were exposed to different areas of information technology, such as networking, graphics and animation, computer repair, coding using games, and Microsoft programs such as Word, PowerPoint, and Excel.
This camp enabled children to actually create games on their own, right? That children actually played and got addicted to.
I remember one particular girl, she was hands down the best. She was displaying what she learned the fastest. She was interacting the most with robotics the best. And we had an exercise, and in just one attempt, she was able to go ahead of everyone else and complete the task. It was a basic obstacle course. Right? We had to maneuver robots through obstacles, around blocks, around corners and so on. And yeah, she did the best. So it was a surprising and a good experience.
It empowered them in such a way by learning how to a language, right? Programming language that enabled them, just like our language enables people to speak and communicate with each other. It empowered them and it gave them the power to actually create things using their imagination to solve real world problems.
The camp allowed young persons to understand what are the opportunities specifically in IT and what are some of the specializations in IT that they can look at. For example, there were a few campers who realized that, hey, I'm strong in coding, I love animation, and some of them actually testify that this is a possibility for me that I'm going to look at later down the road.
So the interesting thing about the camp is that it allowed the students, the campers, to produce real outcomes. So they actually created websites, they actually put together machines, they actually did things, and things that they could show their parents, and the parents could be proud of them and they could be proud of themselves. And it helped them to see that anything is achievable once you put your mind to it and you're willing to work towards it.
I think that the camp will prove successful in the future with regards to COSTAATT as well, because we are teaching them at such an early age and familiarizing them with technology, and we're also familiarizing them with COSTAATT itself, right? So in the future, when these kids are of age to do degrees, probably like after Form 5 and they're looking to pursue a degree in IT, we would like to think that we would have influenced them, and doing so might also garner them to come back to COSTAATT and pursue an IT degree due to just the familiarity of the surroundings.
Looking back at 2018, the camps that we had before, which was 2 camps that we had conducted in 2018, and now we are 2019, we had 4 camps. It's obvious that these camps are going to grow in the near future, 2020. There's no doubt that it's going to flourish.
The tech camps that have been offered at the Grande campus in 2018 and 2019 have provided the platform and the way forward for the entire institution in terms of what are some of the diverse offerings that we need to provide to the community. And therefore in 2020, there is the intention of rolling out the tech camps college-wide at the different campus sites. And from this experience, we have also learned that there are specialist areas within which we can offer the tech camps. So for example, in 2020, we are hoping to offer a coding tech camp that will target both boys and girls in the area of coding to stimulate their interest. Web page design is another area as a specialist camp that we are also looking at for 2020.
Long ago, people used to stand in a train and read a newspaper. Now everyone stands behind their phone and they communicate. We are able to exchange information in milliseconds immediately to travelers all over the world. And to use the technology is not enough. To create the technology, like the Facebook creator, Mark Zuckerberg, and the Twitter creator, all these creators, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, they actually create things that have revolutionized the world. And we could revolutionize the world if we start teaching programming from an age. And COSTAATT has started.